Now what is triangular matrix? A square matrix whose elements above or below the main diagonal are all 0. Now try to understand my point. This is a square matrix, right? So this is also a square matrix. So a triangular matrix is a square matrix in which all the elements above or below, here तो I can see above and here the below. So a square matrix in which or a square matrix whose all elements above its principal diagonal or below its principal diagonal are all 0. That is called the triangular matrix. Okay. So now a square matrix whose elements above or below the main diagonal or principal diagonal are all 0 is called the triangular. Let's try to understand here two parts we are having, upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. So a square matrix whose elements below the main diagonal are all 0. So if I am marking this is as a principal diagonal, okay. So this is a square matrix, we can name it as an A. So if this is a square matrix A, my dear students, here you can see we are having 4 number of rows and 4 number of column. Now look at here, below this principal diagonal, this is the principal diagonal, leading diagonal, main diagonal. Below this principal diagonal, all the elements are 0. Right? Very easily we can see below this principal diagonal all elements are 0. Then this is called as an upper triangular matrix, which you can denote by the capital U. This will be an upper triangular matrix. So a square matrix in which all the elements below the principal diagonal, all the elements below the principal diagonal are 0 is called upper triangular matrix. Okay. Opposite of this one will be a lower triangular matrix. Look at here. This is again your principal diagonal. This is your principal diagonal. So above this principal diagonal, if all the elements are 0, so a square matrix whose elements above the main diagonal are all 0 is called what? Is called lower triangular matrix. So if in a square matrix all the elements, above the principal diagonal are 0, that is called a lower triangular matrix. If in a square matrix all the elements below the principal diagonal are 0 is called upper triangular matrix. Very easily we can just approach this one, dear students. Okay. Now let's have a discussion one more. If you want to know that ma'am which type of triangle we are having here, why we are having the name as an upper triangular. So logic behind this one, ki if you are having a upper triangular matrix, so in this one the upper triangular, this upper triangular shape will be a non-zero. But always you need to consider this one only, ki below the principal diagonal all elements are 0. We are having only one shape of triangle. One triangle is there which is a non-zero triangle. This is a upper triangular matrix. Okay. So in simple language you can say ki a principal, if in a matrix, if in a triangular matrix all the elements, or if in a square matrix simply all the elements below the principal diagonal are 0 is called upper triangular. Above the principal diagonal are 0 is called the lower triangular, my dear students. Okay. We can write down here also, it's mentioned, you can see Aij is equals to 0 for all I is greater than to j. So here you can see I is greater than to j. This will be A21, this will be A31, this will be A32. So I is greater than to j, and here Aij is equals to 0 for all I is less than j. I is less than j because this is A1 first row second column, 1 2 1 3, okay, 2 3. So here I is less than to j. I is the number of row, j is the number of column. Okay. Now what is triangular matrix? A square matrix whose elements above or below the main diagonal